So when they put on the line,
Tortang talong.
ingredients. We have total talong,
Grilled talong.
and this is an egg, and this is the soy sauce, and this is the salt. See? Do you see the salt? And this is the pepper. Oops. Wait, then help me.
Did you crack it?
Yep.
Little heart rate.
Ew. Salt. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ang dami naman.
And this salt. Okay. There we go. There. This soy sauce so heavy. There you be. Oh my god, this is so good. Okay. We are bringing it here, so it's so init. Can you see how it is? It's so much init, but it's done. Now do you like this? See, yummy.